Hi, it's Elsie. Welcome to my channel. Sometimes I get questions asking me how I did the phone frames to my videos. So with this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. Before we get started, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button as it will really help my channel. Now let's get started. First, you want to open CapCut. Click on New Project. Then select the videos that you want to add the frame. For my tutorials, usually I change the screen ratio, so I would click on Format. Select 16:9, that's for YouTube, but you can select other one, depends on where you post it. Then I like to click on Canvas, Color, select a background color. But if you like black, you can skip this step. And then I click on Apply to All, so I have the same background. Then the iPhone frame that I use is from Stickers. Then you want to scroll to the frame category. Then select the iPhone screen here. Then you want to adjust the size of the frame to however you like. Then you want to adjust the video to match it. So with this video, you can see the edge part is bigger than the frame. So what you can do is to click on it, then click on Mask, select Rectangle, and then adjust it to show the video within the frame. You can also adjust this icon to make the corner round so it doesn't stick out of the frame. Then you align the frame with the video. So that's how you can add the iPhone frame to your video. Let's say you want to add a frame that is not available in Stickers. I want to add the iPad frame, so what I can do is to search on Google Image. In this case, I search iPad Pro frame PNG. I put PNG because PNG is the picture that can have transparent background. If it's JPEG, then it's white background. Then click on the filter, go to Usage Rights, select the Creative Commons license, then find a frame that has transparent background, then save the image, go back to CapCut, click on Stickers, go to the picture icon, import the frame, and then adjust the frame to how you like it. This one fits good with my recording, so I don't need to use the mask function on it. And then also align with the video. You can trim out your video if you want. So that's how you can add iPhone frame to your video, or iPad frame, or Android frame. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider like, subscribe, and comment down below. Please be nice to yourself and have a wonderful day. I will see you next time.